Your tooth just broke, and your dentist is now telling you that you need to have the tooth removed and have a dental implant. Do you know why he is telling you that? And there is a reason, right? Do you want to find out? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board certified periodontist and a board certified implant specialist and a dental specialist practicing over 3 decades and placing dental implants and specializing dental implants. So many times when the tooth breaks and your dentist is going to tell you you don't have any other option than removing the tooth and replacing it with a dental implant. And the reason they are saying that is just like you see that happen in this case. I just saw this patient. I'm just walking out of the room. This patient is a pretty young patient. She is about 32 or 33 years old, and the front tooth broke, and the tooth broke at the gum line. When the tooth breaks at the gum line, there is no way you would be able to save that tooth. As you see right here, see that right there, the tooth adjacent here, tooth adjacent, and this is the gum line or the bone line. It just broke right at the gum line. So to be able to save the tooth, you need to have some kind of a post that need to be put on the tooth to put a crown, what we call it as, or the tooth that you see outside the gum line. So when you really completely break a tooth from either biting down really hard or because of your bite, then there is nothing your dentist can do other than recommending a dental implant in the best interest of you, because if you are going to do something on a completely broken tooth, then you're going to end up losing that in the next few weeks or like a few months. So anytime when your dentist is telling you that when you break a tooth and you need to have the tooth removed and replaced with a dental implant, that's the reason why they are telling you. So talk to your dentist whether saving the tooth is an option or you need to have a dental implant. And if you happen to be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, come see us at ToothHQ. We can definitely help you. Until next time, take care.